Your spine straight. Close your eyes. Roll back your shoulders. Pull out your chest. Bring your mind over here now in the present. Relax all your facial muscles. Relax your forehead, your eyebrows. There a gentle smile on your face. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Hold. 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 Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samastajana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Vasudeva Sutam Devam कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in today's practice session of Gita chapter 2, verses 1 to 15. I 1 to 15. It was supposed to be 11 to 15. Yes. For smaller kids, 1 to 5. Still little bigger ones, 1 to 10. And then still bigger ones, 1 to 11 to 15. Okay. Padmini ji, can you turn your phone? Yes. So now it is. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Hi.
How are you? Who is saying something? What happened? Arjun?
It's 11 to 15 yet.
No problem. You have done 1 to 10, right? That's fine. Great, because you joined just 2 days later, right? So it's okay. Good. So first now let's do with smaller kids 1 to 5 verses. So for bigger kids, 1 to 5 will not be revised again. So you have to participate. I must see all the lips moving. Okay. So Adya, first we'll do for you. Then it's easy, no? Your pressure to wait is gone. Oh, you can chant your first 5 verses, Vitu. You can leave your camera a little down, Padmini ji, so I can see your full face. Hmm.
Tadvitiyodyayah
Hmm.
Sankhyayogaha
Hmm.
Sanjaya Uvacha Tam
Hmm.
Tata Krupaya Vishtam
Hmm.
Ashwapurna Kule Yadam
Hmm.
Vishidantamidam Vakyam Ashwachamadu Sudanaha
Hmm.
Bhagavanuvacha
Hmm.
Uttasakashmalamidam
Hmm.
Vishame samupastitam
Hmm.
anayajushtamastagyam
Hmm.
Akirtikamarjuna
Hmm.
Klaivyam masmagamapata
Hmm.
Natattvayupapadyate
Hmm.
Udram Hridayadharpalyam Exodishtam Rantapa.
Hmm.
Arjuna Uvacha. Tam Tata. Katham Bhishmamaham Sankhe. Yogancha Madhusudana. Yeshobhih Pratiyoshyami. Bhudyarha Varisudana. Yeshobhih
Purun.
Guruna Hatva Mahanubhavan. Swayo Bhoktu Shamapi Haloke. Hatva Sapa Guruni Haiva. Kama
Ujjiya.
Yapokan Rudira Predikan.
Very good, my dear. Very good. So what you do, you go little play and come back again. I'm going to ask you again after some time. Go. Okay. Which let's do.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atadvitiya Dhyayaha.
Okay, let's correct from there. Atha. Let's start. Atha.
Atadvitiya Dhyayaha.
Not dhyaya. Dhyayaha.
Dhyayaha.
So you should not forget her. So now one correction. Atha. Tha should come. Dvitiyodhyaya. Dha should come. Okay. Then.
Sankhya Yogaha.
Correct.
Jaya Uvacha.
Hmm.
Takrupaya
Say again. Say. Come.
Takrupaya
Tatha. That tha. Let it come.
Santata Krupaya Vishtam Ashwapurna Kulekshanam Vishedandamidavakyam Vacha Madhusodanaha.
There. Madhu. Madhu. Dha.
Madhusodanaha.
Then.
Laivyam
No. Shri Bhagavanuvacha.
Sri Bhagavanuvacha. Svakashmalamidam Vishaya Samupastitam Antarishtamasvargyam Karamajuna Klaivyam Masmagamah Partha Vayupapadyate Satyam Hridaya Daurbalyam Atishtaparantapa.
Very good.
Uvacha Katam Bhishmamaham.
Over there. Katham.
Katam Bhishmamaham.
Over there. Not Bhishma. Bhishma.
Bhishmamaham Sankhya Gonancha Madhusudana. Ishubhratiya.
Over there. Ishubhif. Bha. Mahaprana.
Ishubhih Pratiyoshyami. Kutaraha Varisudana. Nahatvari Mahanubhavan.
Not Bhavan. Bhavan.
Bhavan.
No. Bhavan.
Bhavan.
No, it's not the loud noise. It is coming of bha.
Ba.
Bha. Pressure.
Ba.
From the bottom of your belly button. See, even if you say ba loudly, it's going to sound ba only. Ba will come from top. But ha, you have to pressure it out.
Ba.
Okay, so you'll need to practice. Bhavan.
Bhavan.
Not yet. Okay. Then go ahead.
Bhavan. Shreya Bhoktum.
Again. Shreyo Bhoktum.
Shreyo Bhoktum. Vaikhyamapi Aloke.
Over there also. Bhaikshyamapi Bha. Bhaiksha.
Vaikhyamapi Aloke. Arthakamam Suguru Mihaiva. Bunjiya Bhogan Rudira Pradiktan.
Bhunjiya Bhogan Bha.
Punjiya Bhogan
Then Rudhira, dha,
Rudira
not Rudhira,
Pradipta
not Rudhira, Rudhira,
Rudira
Pradik, dhan,
Pradiptan
no, not dhan, dhan.
Dan
Good. So I'll ask now one or two more and then you are free to go. Okay. Kutastva.
Kutistra
No, no, say that one.
Kutistra Kashmanamidam
Hmm.
Vishane Samupastitam
Guru Nahatva.
Anapurunatvahimanubavan Shreyo Bhoktum Vaishyamapi Aloke Hatva
Vishidantam.
Vishidandamidam Vakyam Vacha Madhusudanaha
Continue.
Bhagavanuvacha Kutastakashmanamidam
Shudram.
Shukram Hridayadarbhalyam Yaktotishtaparantapa
Hmm.
Clay
No. Correct. So Tishtha Parantapa. Then Arjuna.
Arjuna Uvacha
Hmm.
Tantata Kripaya
Ah, no. Arjuna Uvacha. That is Sanjay Uvacha.
Arjuna Uvacha Khatam Bhishmamaham Sankhya
Ah,
Radha Madhusudana
ah.
Yashodhratiyasyami
Hmm.
Puja Visudana.
Excellent, excellent. Well done, Vish. Memory wise, you have prepared well. For your age, they don't ask in between. You have to just chant 5 verses from beginning till end correctly. So now, tomorrow, when I'm going to see you, your bh pronunciation you should improve and come. Okay? Bh.
Okay.
Say,
Okay.
say bh,
Ba
bh.
ba
Pressure. You say b, and the b you will put out with more, it will become kh.
ba.
Okay, so this we'll need to practice. Rest everything is good. Well done, Vish. See you tomorrow again. If you want to hear others, you can wait. If you want to go, you are done for today. You can go. Aradhya, come back again. Okay, so now let me hear you. You should say from Ashrupurna. Hmm. When?
Vishidan.
Hmm.
Louder. Vibhyam
No,
Masmadama.
Vishidantam, you said correct. Complete that Vishidantam line.
Vishidantamidam Vakyam. Vachamadhusudanaha.
Hmm. Shri Bhagavan.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha
Hmm.
Kutra Karmalamidam
Hmm.
Ame Samupastitham
Hmm.
Anapayayustamastvargyam
Start from Guru Nahatva.
Purunahatva Simahanubavan
Hmm.
Preyo Bhoktum Shamapi Ihaloke
Hmm.
Vishu
Hatvartha.
Suguru Nihaiva
Hmm.
Kunchi Abokan Rudira
Good. Good. Go and play. I'm not going to call you again, but I have to see you tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Ame, you have done only till 7. Say the 6th and the 7th one. First 5 we are done. Now say the 6th and the 7th one.
Nachaitat Vidmah Kata
You have muted.
Nachaitat Vidmah Kataranno Giriyaha Ya Yadve
Yadvajayema.
Yadvajaye Ya
Jayema.
Yadva
No,
Yadva
you have not done sixth. You are reading. You have not done sixth, right? You have not memorized it, correct? How many you have memorized then? Sixth one you have not memorized.
I was doing 6 and I did 7.
No, but Yadva Jayema?
Yadva Jayema Yadivano Jayeyuhu
Hmm?
Yadve
Hmm? Say, if you have memorized it, say.
Yane Hat Yaneva Hatvana Jidivishamaha Devastitha Pramukhe Dhartarashtraha.
Did you read it?
Yeah, I did a bit.
Not a bit. You were reading it. So can you tell me truthfully how many you have done so that I can prepare you accordingly?
I did
No
five,
need.
I did 5, 7, and a bit of 6.
No, darling. So if you will lie to me, you will not be able to improve yourself. So you've done till 5.
And I did 7.
Have you done till 5?
Yeah.
Okay, save it. Close your book. I don't want that. Close the book. Guruna Hatva.
हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्ष्यमपि हलोके हत्वार्थकामास्तु गुरुनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्
Karpanya.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसमूढचेताः
Yat Shreyat
मां निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे
Shishyas
शिष्यस्तेषाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नं
Yasteham.
शिष्यस्तेऽंशाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
Okay, good. But you are not going. You have to wait and you have to wait to hear everything so that by listening so many times, you would start memorizing. And you can keep the book open now when others are chanting so that you are following through the book and reading with them. Okay. So be attentive, Amay. You have to practice whole of this session so that not only you will learn the pronunciations, but it will come to your memory somehow. It would be a practice session. Okay. Fair enough. Then now whom we have? We have Dhanya. Okay. Kriyansh, your brother is going to chant. How many verses for him?
He has the first 5 verses, Varshaji.
Okay. Let me hear you.
Okay.
His name is Samarjun.
Samarjun.
Samarjun. Yeah. Okay.
Priyansh and Samarjun. Om
Samarjun,
Shri.
let's hear your 5
Hariom.
verses.
Hariom.
Hariom, darling.
Come, right from the starting. Om Shri.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atad Dvitiyodyayah Sankhya Sanjaya Uvacha Tantata Kupaya Vishtam Ashtunakulechanam Vishidam Tamidau Vakyam Uvacha Madhusudaneha Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Utastvakarshmalamidam Yashame Samupastitam Anatrushtamasvam Kyam Keetakam Vachana
Loudly.
Akeetakam Vachana
Slowly.
Excellent. You are doing excellent. Look at me and say, you are doing excellent.
Papatyate Satvam Sharayo Valyam Tyakto Tishta Paventapa
Awesome. Then Arjuna.
Arjuna Vacha Katam Bhishma Mohan Sankhe Donam Chamadhusudanam Yashubhavtvati Otyami Ojaha Vaisudana Gunatatiha Guru Nahatvai Mahat
Correct. Shreya. Yes.
Shreyo tung tung me aloke atvatam sukho haiva punjiyabukan.
Pradikdhan. Excellent, Samarjun. You are doing excellent. It's your day one today. You've come so well prepared. Awesome. So tomorrow you have to join again. Tomorrow I'm going to ask you something in between. So for day one, this is excellent. Kriyansh, he sounds exactly like you. So if you were reduced to his age, it's like so similar. Excellent. Samarjun, would you be able to say today itself? Otherwise, I think, can you say Klaibyam Asma?
Labia mas maga mas
Hmm.
maspata
Ah, Naitat.
naivate upapadyate satvam traya obalyam
Hmm.
saubalyam yakpo kishta paventapa.
Excellent, darling. Excellent. Bless you. So I would see you tomorrow again, Samarjan. Very well done. Good. Amay, can you put light in your room so that I can see your face? It's completely in darkness. Okay. Are you eating anything?
Yes. No.
Okay. Okay, fair. No, I asked Amay. Not this. Okay, Dhanya, let's have you. So you will start for 1 to 5. I'll just ask in between if at all. But now we are going to say the sixth one, Nachaitad.
नचैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि भानु जयेयुः याने वहत्वा न जिजीविषामः थेव स्थितः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः
Dharta, not Dharta.
धार्तराष्ट्राः
Eva Muktva Rishikesham.
एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशं गुडाकेशः परन्दप न योत्स्यैति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः
Karpanya.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वं धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निष्ठितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शुष्यस्तेऽहं शाधिमा त्वं प्रपन्नम् न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषन् इन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपन्नमृद्धम् राजं सुराणामपि चाधिपद्यम्
Shubhi.
ऋषभः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हावरिसूदन गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान्
Kirti.
अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते शूद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्तोत्तिष्ठ परन्दप
Haishyamapiha.
वैक्षमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरोनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोग रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्
Yachokam.
यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपन्नमृद्धम् राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्
Rishikeshaha.
ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत
Awesome.
सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये
Bhayor.
रुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदं वचः.
Love you, sweetu. Excellent. Cleared everything. If you want to wait, you can wait. Otherwise, come back again tomorrow. We'll practice some more. Remember your Mahapranas. That's the little bit, some 1-2 points difference will come because of 1 or 2 Mahapranas. So practice that and I'll see you tomorrow. But if you want to wait, you can hang on.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, sweetu. See you tomorrow. So Arjun, you said how many you have done?
I memorized until 10.
Until 10. Okay, so we will have one more round of 1 to 10 over here right now. You can start with Guruna Hatva.
गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्षमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्
प्रपश्यामि
न हि पश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धं राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्
यानेव हत्वा
अनेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः
Continue.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहतस्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मुवाच तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदौ वचः विषीदन्तमिदं वचः
विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम्
विषीदन्तमिदौ वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः कुतस्त्वाकर्ष्म
भगवान्
भगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकर्ष्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन.
Well done, well done. Your name has come. See how many times your name is coming, Arjuna. Oh, ho, ho. Very well done. Come back tomorrow. Tomorrow you will memorize till what and come?
15.
That is your spirit. Memorize till 15 and come. Today anyway is holiday, right?
Tomorrow I might not be able to come. I have CCA.
Okay, when are you coming then?
15th, when you will reach by 4:15.
Yeah.
No. If not tomorrow, 4:15 we may not. If not tomorrow, which day you will join? If not Tuesday?
Wednesday he has another tuition at 2:30.
Okay. Thursday?
Can come.
Thursday 11 to 15 you do and come.
Okay.
Okay, I'll see you on Thursday, Arjun. Do it thoroughly. Okay, Kriyansh, how many you have memorized?
1 to 12.
1 to 12. Okay. And Ira, how many you have memorized?
1 to 12 or 13.
12 or 13. So both of you are done till 1 to 12. So what we will do, all odd number shlok, Kriyansh will chant. All even number shlok, Ira will chant. Means 1 will be Kriyansh, 2 will be Ira, 3 Kriyansh, 4 Ira. Okay, let's start. So others 1 to 12 revision now.
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः सांख्ययोगः संजय उवाच तन्तथा कृपयाविष्टम् अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणं विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते क्षुद्रौ हृदयदौर्बल्यम् त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप. अर्जुन उवाच कथं भीष्ममहौ संख्ये द्रोणै च मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हा वरिसूदन. गुरो न हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्. न चैतत्विन्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीवशामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वं धर्मसम्मूढचेताः
Again, pruchhami. Again, say that line.
पृच्छामि त्वं
Pruchhami tvam. No, pruchhami tvam. Twa. Aki matra should come.
पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यात् निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम् न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमां वसपत्रमुत्रम्
Again, say that line. Avapya.
अवाप्य भूमां वसपत्रमुत्रम्
Bhumam no. Bhumam no. Bhumav. No bhumam.
भूमां वसपत्रमुत्रौ
One minute. Avapya bhumavasa. Bhumavasa.
अवाप्य भूमां वसपत्रमुत्रम्
Bhumam is not there, darling. Bhumam is not there. Bhuma vasa. Avapya bhuma vasa.
अवाप्य भूमा वसपत्रमुत्रौ
Patrala. Na. Na. Avapya bhuma vasa patna mridham.
रत्नमित्रौ
No. Patna.
अवाप्य भूमा वसपत्रमुत्रौ
Mridham. So patna, there is no ra in patna. There is no patra. So patna mridham.
रत्नमुत्रौ
No ra. Patna.
पत्नमुत्रम्
Samno. Mridham.
अवाप्य भूमा वसपत्न मृद्धम्
Correct.
राज्यौसराणामपि चाधिपत्यम् एवमुक्त्वा
Sanjaya uvacha.
एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशं गुडाकेशः परन्तप न योचयति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः
Tushnim also. Dirgha. It won't be tushnim. It will be tushnim. Tu dirgha ni also. So say that line again. Nayotsya.
न योचयति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः
So that habit of coming tushnim again, that is, so you will have to work little to break that habit. Uktva tushnim. It should, both are dirgha sounds.
उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः
Good.
तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदौ वचः अशोच्यान् श्रीभगवानुवाच अशोच्यानन्वशोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासूंश्च नानुशोचन्ति पंडिताः.
Very good.
न त्वैवाहौ जातु नासम्
Natvevahan, because jatu. Otherwise, ma you should say. When we're not sure of anuswara rule, then say ma only. Natvevaham jatu nasam. But ja is there. So this will become na. Natvevahan jatu nasam.
न त्वैवाहौ जातु
Papa is not there, darling. Because jatu will not have ma anuswara. Na or ma. Natvevahan jatu nasam.
न त्वैवाहं जातु नासं न त्वन्ये मे जनाधिपाः न न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम्.
Good. Now both of you, what will happen? I will say one word. So first time when I say, it will be for Ira. When I'll give a second clue, that will be for Kriyans. When I'll give the third clue, that will be for Ira. So both of you will be alternating. Okay. So first we'll start with Ira. Ashochan.
अशोच्यानन्वशोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञावादौश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासुश्च नानुशोचन्ति पण्डिताः.
Katham Bhishma.
कथं भीष्ममहौ सङ्ख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हावरिसूदन गुरून् हत्वा हि महान्
क्लैब्यमास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते ते श्रुत्रौ हृदये दौर्बल्यं त्यक्तोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप. अर्जुन उवाच कथं भीष्ममहौ सङ्ख्ये
Karpanya
कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वं
There.
पृच्छामि त्वं
Tvam.
धर्मसम्मूढ
It won't be tvam. Tvam. So again that habit we'll have to break.
पृच्छामि त्वं धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यात् निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नं न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात्
Vacha.
तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयो
Yasyan.
यच्छ्रेयस्यात् निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नं न हि
Yaneva.
यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः
Shreyo
स्वभावः
bhoktum.
श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव
Purna. Ashrupurna.
अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणं विषीदन्तमिदौ वाक्यम् उवाच
द्रोणं च मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि
Svevaham. Natvevaham. Yeah, Natvevaham.
न त्वैवाहौ जातु नासम्.
Now is happening, so that habit we'll have to break. Okay. Natvevaham jatu nasam.
न त्वैवाहं जातु नासं न त्वन्नेमे जनाधिपाः
अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धं राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यं न हि प्रपश्यामि मम
Sanjay Uvacha.
संजय उवाच एवम्
Good. So both of you have done well. If you want to practice more, you can wait. But if you want to go also, no problem. Okay. Next will be Hari Om darling. Adya, how many you have memorized?
12.
Oh, you have also done 12. Oh, okay. And Nath, how many you have memorized?
Like around 15 to 17, around there, 17.
17. Bashini, how many?
Till 20.
Wow, that's awesome. Sahara, how many?
12 to 13.
Okay, so we will have Adya and Sahana now. And Bashini and Nab we'll have after this. Sanya, how many you have memorized?
Like 15, 16.
Okay, so and Nitya, how many you have memorized? Hariom.
I have memorized till 25, but I need to revise. I might have forgotten them.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. So let's do 1 to 12 again with Sahana and Adya. So again, I'll say one that will Adya will start first. Second time when I say it will be for Sahana, and then we keep repeating. Okay. So others will also have to practice this way 1 to 12. Anarya Jushtam.
Anayadushtamaस्वर्ग्यम् अप्युतिकरमर्जुन वैद्यमास्मगमः पाठ नैतद्वयुपपद्यते
Yachreyasya. Both of you keep your mics open only. Don't keep it closed because it's going to go a little faster.
यच्छ्रेयस्यानिश्चितं ब्रूहि तत् मे स्तेव स्थिता प्रमुखे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम् न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोसनमिन्द्रियाणां
न चैतद्विद्मः. Adya, don't keep your mic closed. Can you remove your mic because your voice is a muffled voice. We are not hearing clearly. Can you remove the mic and just speak directly? Because, okay. Na chaitadvidma.
नचैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यानेव
Yadva jayema.
यद्वा जयेम यजीवानो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा रजनीमिषामः एव स्थितः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः कार्पण्यदोषोपहत
Tamuvacha ऋषिकेशः.
तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदो वचः
Continue.
अशोच्यानन्व
श्रीभगवानुवाच.
श्रीभगवानुवाच
No. Sorry, darling. For Sahana only, she started with Ashochan. In that, she has to say Shri Bhagavan Vacha, then only Ashochan. Don't peep in your book. That's why you are confused. Keep the book away.
श्रीभगवानुवाच
Don't look down.
अशोच्यानन्वशोचस्त्वम्
How many you have done?
Around 1 to 12, but 11 and 12 I'm still
A little, it's still raw. Okay. Then I'll ask you a different one. Nahi prapashyami.
न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोसनमिन्द्रियाणाम्
Yachhokamuchhoshana, not sana.
यच्छोकमुच्छोसनमिन्द्रियाणाम्
Not sana. Yachhokamuchhoshana.
यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमा वसपत्नवृद्धम् राज्यं
Not sura. Rajyam
सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्
Continue.
एवमुक्त्वा
Sanjaya Uvacha. You have to say that, darling.
सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशः
Evamuktva Hrishikesham. गुडाकेशः
गुडाकेशः परन्तप
नयोत्स्य
नयोत्स्य इति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः
कंटिन्यू
तमुवाच हृषीकेशम्
तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः over here केशः
तमुवाच हृषीकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप
no सेनयोर no darling no सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये
विषीदन्तमिदौ वचः
you went somewhere else आद्या न चैतद्विद्मः
न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः देवस्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः
ख let the महाप्राणाकम्
प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः कार्पण्यदो
धार्तराष्ट्राः visarga has to be said
धार्तराष्ट्राः कार्पण्य
धार्तराष्ट्राः say the visarga darling
धार्तराष्ट्राः कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः
चेताः say the visarga
चेताः
marks will go they will cut it easily 2 marks they will start cutting for every mistake
यच्छ्रेयस्यानिश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम् अवाप्य भूमां
no शाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नं then not avapya nahi prapashyami
न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य
so now comes avapya so in between 2 lines you had eaten continue
अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमुद्धम् राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्
कुतस्त्वा कश्मल सहना
कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विश्वमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन क्लैब्यं मास्मकमः पार्थ
प्रतियोत्स्यामि आद्या alternating
I didn't heard you.
okay ishubhih प्रतियोत्स्यामि
इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हा वरिसूदन गुरुन् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्षमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामासु
both of you have done well but don't go you will still wait and practice with others so now Bashini and Nab you will do first one I'll ask for Nab second one will be for Bashini we are doing 1 to 15 now okay or Nab you're sure of 17th also 17th is Avinashi tu tad vidhi
I can do it. I think
okay, but today's agenda is 11 to 15 only, but I'm just stretching y'all, and that doesn't matter. So let's start. Ashochan.
अशोच्यानन्वशोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासुश्च नानुशोचन्ति पंडिताः न त्वेवाहं जातु नासं
So not to say na tve, no. Na will have a dvitva. Na tveva aham, na will have a pressure.
न त्वेवाहं जातु नासं न त्वन्नेमे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे
Sprashastu. Bashini.
Can you repeat?
Matra sparshastu.
मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कान्तेय शीतोष्णसुखदुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्याः
Agama.
आगमापायिनो नित्याः
Apayino, why are you adding? Agama payino.
आगमापायिनो
Why are you adding one extra a? Don't add any extra. Agama payino.
आगमापायिनो
Why are you saying apayino? Don't say apayino. Agama payino.
आगमापायिनो
Hmm.
आगमापायिनो नित्याः
No, no. You're saying agama apayino. Don't add any a. Agama apayino mapa.
आगमापायिनो नित्याः तांस्ति तिक्षस्व भारत यौ हि न व्यन्थयन्त्येते
Vyantha no. Vyatha. Not vyantha. Vyatha.
यौ हि न व्यन्थयन्त्येते पुरुषं
Again.
यौ हि न व्यन्थयन्त्येते
Not vyan. Yam hi na vyathayantyete.
यौ हि न व्यथयन्त्येते पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभ गतासु न गतासु
Samadukha.
समसुखसुखं
Not
धीरम्
dukha. Not dhu. Du. Alpa prana.
Ma'am, is it the last? Is it samadhu or dhu?
Du. Samadukha.
Samadukkhasukam dhiram
Sukhan dhiram. Dhamaha prana.
sukadhiram
Samadukha sukhan dhiram.
samadhukkasukam
Not dhu. Du. Samadukha.
samadukkhasukam dhiram.
Sukana. Sukha kha mahaprana.
Ma'am, is there an N behind sukan? Like N.
Yes. Yes.
Samadukkhasukam dhiram somritatvaya
Somrutatvaya kalpate.
somritatvaya kalpate
Na chaitad vidmah.
न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः
एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशं गुडाकेशेन परन्तप गुडाकेशः परन्तप न योच्यैति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्
all the mahapranas.
सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदौ वचः
श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्षमपि लोके.
Please stay unmuted so that there is no time lost in unmuting, muting. So just stay unmuted.
श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्षमपि लोके हत्वार्थकामास्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान् न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो
Santamidam.
Ma'am, can you repeat? Your voice is breaking.
Vishidantamidam.
विषीदन्तमिदौ वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः
One more Vishidantamidam.
विषीदन्तमिदौ वचः
Then
असोचानन्वसोचस्तु
Sri Bhagavan Uvacha you should say. Then only you should start.
श्रीभगवानुवाच असोचानन्वसोचस्तु
Asono. Asho.
अशोचानन्वशोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे गतासूनगतासूंश्च
नैतत्त्वै
नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यम्
Hridaya, not to say, huh? Hridaya. Her sound also should come, not Hridaya. Hridaya.
हृदय दौर्बल्यम् त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप अर्जुन उवाच कथं भीष्ममहौ सङ्ख्ये द्रोणै च मधुसूदन
Dronai,
यशुभिः
you don't do. Dronan, you say Nyakara, you say Yakara, don't say.
द्रोणं च मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि
Good.
पूजा
Both of you have done well, but wait, don't go. Listen to others as well. Okay. Now we'll have between Sanya and Nikita 1 to 15 verses we'll do. Okay. Sanya, okay with till 15, right? Okay, 1 to 15, because we'll hold up that agenda. Today we are doing till Thursday, we will add 5 more. So next 2 days we will do 1 to 15 only, we will flash out. Thursday we'll do 1 to 20. So 16 to 20 for Thursday. Thursday, Friday we'll have, again Saturday, Sunday we will not have, we'll go there. Then next week we'll add some more. Then we are done, we are nearing the competition. Okay, so the first one will be for Nitya and the second one will be for Sanya. Okay, let us
First,
start.
Auntie, me or my mom?
I first said Nikita. No. First it's you. You and Sanya will do, and your mom will be with the adult section. So you and Sanya first will do. Sorry. We'll start. Nitya. I said Nikita, I guess so. Okay. Klaibyam.
क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्तोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप अर्जुन उवाच कथं भीष्ममहं सङ्ख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन
Yaneva Hatva.
यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः
Rajyam Suranam.
राज्यं सुराणामपि चान्वे I forgot the tune.
Rajyam Suranamapi Chadhipatyam.
राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यं सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशं प्रहसन्निव भारत
Dehinosmin.
देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारे यौवनञ्जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिः धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यते मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण
Gatasuna.
गतासूनगतासूंश्च नानुशोचन्ति पण्डिताः न त्वेवाहं जातु नासं न त्वं नेमे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे
Agamapayino.
आगमापायिनो नित्याः सांस्थितिक्षस्व भारत यौ हि न व्यथयन्त्येते पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभ समदुःखसुखं धीरं सोमृतत्वाय कल्पते
Kirti.
अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते क्षुद्रो
Hrishikesham.
समुवाच ऋषिकेशं
Evamuktva.
एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशं गुडाकेशः परन्तप न योत्स्येति
Hrishikeshaha. Nitya.
प्रहसन्
Tamovacha.
तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये
So we
विषीदन्तम्
have to remember in the 9th verse, Rishikesham. In the 10th verse, Rishikeshaha. So like this, you should take separately and practice these two. Not to do it in front.
I I have a question. So, do we have to say the whole shlok? Like, if they ask from the middle, do we say
So
the whole shlok?
if they say Rishikeshaha, then you say Rishikeshaha Prahasanniva. Say the word that they have given. Okay, both of you have done very well. So for Thursday, another 5 verses we are adding. Okay, 16 to 20. If you want more practice of 1 to 15, join tomorrow and day after. So for 2 days, we will be pushing this much only inside. 11 to 15 more means 1 to 15 is included. Okay, if both of you want to go, can go. Others who have
Varshaji?
finished can also have to go, then go. But we are still going to.
Varshaji,
Ji, ji.
we are traveling, so we'll not be here on Thursday, but we'll join on Friday.
No problem. So Friday is also till 20 only.
Fine.
Those who have finished and want to go can go. And even for Amay, if you want to go, can go. Okay. Now both the parents,
I
Sanya's,
have CCAs on Tuesday also, so I can't join tomorrow also, I think.
no problem. You have done well. Come on Thursday prepared with 16 to 20. Okay.
Yeah.
Hurry on, darling. Hurry on. Adya, if you want to leave also, you can. Sahan also, if you want to leave. Amay also. Hurry on, sweetheart. So now we will have between Alkaji and Nikitaji.
Excuse me.
Hmm?
Tomorrow, what time is the class?
2:30. Every day it's at 2:30. Okay. So tomorrow will you memorize till 10 and come very well?
Yeah, I'll try.
Try, darling. You please try. Okay. Come, very nicely prepared. But why did you pick up in between 7 without doing the 6, sweetheart?
Well, I was doing 6 and then, I thought I could do 6 and I did 7. And then 7 seemed easy for me.
No, you follow the sequence, it will come easy. So you've not done 6, but you've done 7. But tomorrow when you come, do till 10 and come.
Yeah.
So now
Hurry
don't
on.
rest. Now don't rest. Go back to the verses and sit for memorizing. Okay.
Yeah.
Hurry on, darling. Hurry on. So let's have
Hurry on.
Alkaji. Hurry on. Let's have Alkaji and Nikitaji. So first one for Alkaji, second one for Nikitaji. Okay. Anarya Jushtam. Hey, Alkaji, where did you go?
अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप
Partha Kamamstu.
हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरुनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान् न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः
न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परं देहिनोऽस्मिन्यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनञ्जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिः धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति
अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धं राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम् सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशं गुणाकेशः परन्तप.
What did you say? Did you say Guna?
Gunakesh.
So it's not Guna. Gudakesha.
गुडाकेशः परन्तप न योत्स्यैति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव
यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नं न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्याद्
गतासून गतांसूंश्च नानुशोचन्ति पण्डिताः. गतासून गतासूंश्च नानुशोचन्ति
ending. Gatasoon gatasumscha ending.
गतासून गतासूंश्च
Sumshcha.
सूंश्च
Huh.
गतासून गतासूंश्च
Huh.
नानुशोचन्ति पण्डिताः न त्वैवाहं जातु नासं न त्वं नेमे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम्
Vishidantam.
Which one, Varshaji?
Vakyam.
विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन क्लैब्यं
Nayotsya.
न योत्स्य इति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः
Nayotsyami.
न
Varshaji
योत्स्य
again.
No. Pratiyotsyami.
Pratiyotsyami.
Ishubhi.
Pratiyotsyami.
Ishubhi.
इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हावरिसूदन गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्
Ashrupurna.
अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणं विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे
Both of
समुपस्थितम्
you have done very nicely. So if you want more practice till 15, can join for tomorrow and day after also. But otherwise on Thursday, 16 to 20. So when we say 16 to 20, that means 1 to 15 is also into that. But wait till these two also chant so you can have more practice. Ramesh, you can turn your phone like this because you are on sideways. Now it is okay.
Varshaji, can I just check? You have done the pronunciations till 45, is it?
No. In the class till 45, yes. But in the group, I've posted only first 5. I have to post for the remaining thing.
I'm sorry. I asked because I missed the 35 to 45 pronunciation. Because I
So
was
it's done in
traveling.
the class. So maybe I'll just put the links over there and then.
Please,
Or if
Varshaji.
any one of the link, you can go the last verses.
So you
Last
have,
two
if
classes.
it's there in the link, then I will look through.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank
And
you.
then I'll post the audios. Sorry, Nikita.
No, sorry. I just wanted to ask that only that wanted to ask the recordings for
So recordings
the
are
audios because
posted
I
only
missed the
till 5.
classes.
Yes, recordings have been posted up till 5, but I'll post for the remaining as well.
And in the Zoom sessions also, your chanting is there, is it? So
In
I
the
can
Zoom
go and
sessions, yes, on the YouTube, all the pronunciations till 45 are completed.
in the last class, last
So
session.
in the last session, I think we did 10 together. 35 to 45 we did all together, right? Padminiji and we did all in one day. Until 30 we did in the previous class. So in between two classes, we finished from 21 till 45.
Okay, I'll have a look there.
So when the kids were having of 25, so in that same class, after the kids went, we added 5 and we made till 30. And then we did all of that. Okay, so I'll see the link if at all, and then I'll post it back again.
Okay, thank you.
So my pleasure. So now first one will do Ramya ji, second one for Padmini ji, and both of you will still continue with the muted mic. Okay. Natve Vaham.
नत्वेवाहं जातु नासं न त्वन्नेमे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम् देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा
Prajnavadamscha.
प्रज्ञावादांश भाषसे गतासून गतासूंश्च नानुशोचन्ति पण्डिताः
Over there. Gatasuna.
गतासून गतासूंश्च
Sumsha is happening, no? Sumscha, let the cha come.
नासूंश्च
Hmm.
नाशोचन्ति पण्डिताः
Hmm.
न चैव न भविष्यामः Oh, not
No. Before that. Tatvevaha.
वाहं जातु नासं न त्वं नेमे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम्
Yadva jayema.
यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः हत्वाथ कामांस्तु
Yaneva.
यानेव हत्वा न गुरूनिहैव
Yaneva hatva jijivishamaha.
यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धातराष्ट्राः कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः
Dronam cha.
द्रोणं च मधुसूदन गुरुन् हत्वा हि
Ishuhi.
इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हा वरिसूदन गुरुन् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्षमपीह लोके हत्वाथ कामांस्तु गुरूणिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्
Shitoshna.
शीतोष्णसुखदुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्याः स्तां स्थितिक्षस्व
Agama pahina nityaha. Sakara has gone. So it won't be stan. It would be tan titikshasva. No, sir.
नित्याः तां स्थितिक्षस्व भारत यौहिनौ व्यथयन्त्येते पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभ समदुःखं धीरं सोमृतत्वाय कल्पते
शिष्यस्तेहम.
शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधिमान् त्वां प्रपन्नं न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुध्यात् यच्छोकं
Mamapanudyat alpa prana.
ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धं राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्
Natvam
सञ्जय
neme.
Sorry?
Natvam neme.
नत्वन्नेमे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परं देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनञ्जरा तथा देहान्तरः प्राप्तिः
तूष्णीं बभूवः.
तूष्णीं बभूवः तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये
Both of you have done very well. So tomorrow, if you need more practice, come still 1 to 15 only. Then Thursday we can join. Okay. Let's do the closing prayers. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. See you all soon. Hari Om.
Varshaji, is my tune a bit improved or no? Okay, I'll try.
Yes, I'll probably give a separate audio. You practice with that, you would get it.
Okay, thank you.
In the 11th shloka, that prajna is correct.
Prajna.
Prajna. Prajna vadaunshcha. Vadaunsh gatasuna gatasunshcha.
Correct. Yes. Correct.
Wanted to make sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Hari Om everyone. See you all soon again.
Hari Om, Varshaji. Thank you.
Hari Om ji. Thank you. Hari Om.